58. The Pleading Woman. This is a Madani surah. It was revealed around the 5th year of Hijrah, after the Battle of the Ditches. This surah came most probably after the Suratul Ahzab 33. It has 22 verses in 3 sections. The surah talks about a bad social custom by which husbands in pre-Islamic time used to oppress their wives. Someone would call his wife mother and thus would separate from her, but would not give her the divorce. Allah condemned the custom. The surah also speaks about the hypocrites, another non-Muslim group in Medina, who were involved in spreading rumors against the Prophet, peace be upon him. They are giving warnings here, and Muslims are urged to be alert and careful. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. The custom of zihar is condemned. The rights of women should be protected. Number 2. Allah is aware of the secret counsels of the hypocrites. Believers should not involve in such activities. The rules of gathering in Islam. Number 3. Be aware of the internal enemies also. Do not take as patrons those who are the enemies of Allah and His Messenger.